Hey, what's up? Another day, another vlog. It's me again, your boy Marvin. Okay, alright. Today is Monday, the most lazy day of the week. Yeah, you know, Monday na naman. Pinaka-nakakatamad na araw kasi back to work. Sa mga regular sa trabaho na regular day, pero sa kagaya kong nasa food industry, Monday is just a normal day. Hey, so what's up to all? I hope you have a great day ahead. I hope you have a great week ahead. Yeah, you know. Oh, banking gods. Pulis pala yun. Let's go. It's a beautiful weather. It's sunny day. Wala lang, tayo ay naghahunting ng kamote araw-araw. At mga kamote sa daan. Kung kayo'y mabidyohan ko, pasensya na kayo mga kamote. You know, let's go. Woo! It's a beautiful day, looking for something to do. Yeah, baby, I think I wanna marry you. Uy, nakatsinelas si kamote. Hey, nakatsinelas. Magsapatos kayo o proper shoe wear. Bukod sa ligtas na kayo, hindi pa kayo matikita ng enforcer. O, diba? Yung nakahuli agad tayong kamote. Kahit saan, kahit anong oras, maraming kamote.